Apply for up to 1.5 million Rand in business funding from Vodalend today. FutureFit, helping you grow your business with Vodalend. There are several ways to finance your business. While some people use their own money or borrow from family and friends, loans and investors are also options. Naturally, there are terms and conditions you need to consider before deciding which option to go with. Funding for the future is an important decision. So let's find out how to make the right one. Gugu, thanks so much for your time. We appreciate it. So let's start with a list of funding options for people. What's available?
The most important thing to realize is that there's funding for everyone. Whatever stage of business you're in, the key is to do your research and find a funder that's aligned to your business. And funding that's available for business owners that are either starting or growing their businesses, it starts from own funding, so your savings. It goes on to your family and friends, which can also be angel investors, those family and friends. It goes on to your venture capitalists, where they take a bit of equity into your business. It goes to business loans. You can also look at a credit facility at your bank, but you also have to look at what is the cost of that, can I afford it, and therefore, is this the best route to go for myself?
Okay, so you mentioned lots of funding options, right? But let's talk about small business loans. Break that down for us.
Small business loans are more debt that you're bringing into your business. And it comes as a principal debt, and it comes with interest, and it may come with additional fees that you need to look at as a business owner. So when you look at all those items, you need to ask yourself, can I afford that? And where do you get a loan? You can either get it from your bank because you have a credit facility with them, or you've had a bank account with them, or you can get from the fintechs that we have currently, and those are institutions that provide loans to business owners. And then there's institutions like ourselves, business partners, where you can get like venture capital or asset-based finance, where we look at what are you bringing to the table, what is the risk that we're taking in the business, and therefore how much finance can we provide to you as a business owner. The key is to do research, because if you don't do your research, you won't know which finance is available to you and which one is aligned to the stage of development in your business, but also which one is aligned to your industry, which is aligned to your pocket as the business owner, or the cash flow projections that you have.
What needs to be considered when actually deciding on the funding for your business?
Look at the vision for your business. Look at how much finance you need. Look at the repayment terms. Can I afford the repayment terms? Look at your pitch. What pitch are you going to present to the different financiers? Look at your financials. Do you understand the financials? When are you going to break even? When are you going to start making a profit? And are you ready to stay that long before you break even or before you make a profit? And also, what are the conditions that the financier is giving to you? And can you afford to stay in line within those conditions?
So tell me how important it is to have savings to ensure the success of your business.
Savings is important for starting out a business. It's also important for when you're growing a business and have your business available. For instance, when you have a business that's existing, we saw it with COVID. A lot of people had to get loans or had to go back to their savings so that they sustain their businesses during a period when there was no finance. Money that's available to you for an emergency is key, not just for when you are in trouble, or that it's cash that's within your business. Sometimes it's cash that is available to you from a bank financier or from a financier. But when you're starting a business, it's important to save money so that you're able to then to show that you have skin in the game, as they call it. You are showing that you are committed to the success of your business. But we live in South Africa. That's not always possible. I will not always have money to put aside. But for people who are living corporate and starting businesses, people who have side hustles and starting businesses, it is easy to put money aside so that when you start a business, there's funding available to actually sustain your business. And when you go to a financier, you say, I have savings, I don't want to use them, but they're available to us to run the business. What can you offer me? It improves how you negotiate.
All right, great. Thank you so much for your input. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
Grow your business your way with up to 1.5 million Rand in funding from Vodalend. FutureFit in association with Vodalend.